Okay, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a moving company client of mine that I ran their accounts for over a month now, almost 2 months. So I'm just going to be showing you how I was able to achieve this. So as you can see, in the last 30 days, we have a 22% conversion rate. For context, the average conversion rate on search campaigns is, I think, 8%. So like this is really good. 53 conversions, and yeah, I'm just going to be showing you how we were able to achieve this. But let me just show you the previous campaign they were running before they came to me. So this was the campaign they were running before they came to me. As you can see, no conversion at all, right? Not a single conversion. I think they ran it for a few days. Let's see how much they spent. So they spent over $100 to get nothing, while we spent $250. Right. So let's just get into it. So first of all, we tracked phone calls and form submissions. We made sure we set up conversion tracking, whereas in this campaign there was no conversion tracking set up. Right. So that's the first thing we did. So now let's take a look at the ad group. So in this particular campaign, we have only one ad group, which is not usual, right? Because we should segment out ad groups by theme and keywords, right? But in this particular campaign, the keyword volume wasn't that high for other types of keywords. So I just had to put everything into one general ad group. So as you can see, we made use of phrase match and exact match. In the previous campaign, I think they were using broad match. Let's see the keywords. Yeah, broad match, and their search terms were not good at all. So that is the first thing I made sure to fix, right? So let's take a look at our bid strategy real quick. So we're bidding for clicks in the first few days, right? Once we got enough conversions, we switch it over to maximize conversions. So as you can see now, I should actually reduce this or probably change the bid strategy altogether, because this target CPA was set when the budget was higher than what it is currently, right? So we brought the budget down, because the only reason we actually increased the budget was just so we could hit the Google Ads credit target. So we brought the budget up, and once we hit it, I brought it down. So I actually need to change this, which I will later on. But let me just finish talking about this campaign. Right. So the click-through rates is really good. Click-through rates over 11%. Let's take a look at the ads itself that gave us this click-through rate. So as you can see, I was running 3 ads. I tested 3 ads. I paused this one because it wasn't performing the way it should have. Let's look at all time. Right. So as you can see, a 4% click-through rate. So I had to pause this after a few days. Right. The remaining, this one still giving me over 10%. For context, a good click-through rate is from 10% and above, hitting that consistently. Right. This one also, I probably should kill this one and leave only this one, because, but I mean, it's still giving me, right. Let's look at conversions. 11 conversion with 11%. Conversion rate. Yeah, I probably should kill this one, but then again, it's probably getting a few. They are probably getting a few calls because this is a call only campaign, and the country that this campaign is running, you can't really track call only campaigns directly, basically. Right. So I was looking for the word there, but yeah, this, take a look at this um ad itself. So yeah, as you can see, I made use of what we call keyword insertions and location insertions to increase the click-through rate. Think about it. If you are searching for something and the first ad you see has the exact keyword you typed in, you're more likely to click it, right? Because you think that that is going to solve your problem. So that's what's really increase the click-through rates. Um, yeah, I also pinned this one. So as you can see, really good ad copy, really good 10 years of experience, trusted. Yeah, really good ad copy. Let's take a look at the assets and extensions real quick. So as you can see, very important, we're making use of a call assets or a call extension. Also making use of site links, right? It's very important. I think for most campaigns, these are the two most important assets you will be using, not even for just moving companies. Also making use of a promotion, and you got a good number of impressions also. I'm making use of call outs. As you call outs actually really stood out. I think Google pushes it more than promotions. Making use of call outs. And yeah, I think that's it. If you notice, we're not making use of any image, and that's because they haven't verified their business on Google, right? They haven't verified their account on Google Ads. So until you do that, you won't be able to access images. So that's why I think they are currently working on it. Or if they were verified, then yeah, image is probably the first extension I will be using because it just increases the click through rate by a lot. So that's it for the assets. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for that. And that was how I was able to achieve these particular results in the last 30 days. So if you want similar results like this for your moving company or for your company in general, I work with service business to generate leads like this, right? You can click the link in the description to get in touch with me.